Alright, so we're going to try out the Radiomaster Pocket today. Only flown a couple packs on it. We're going to fly the sub 250 baby turtle. It's already hit the ground a couple times today. Not totally used to this, don't know how to hold it. Let's see how it goes. So I'm not really used to this throttle compared to my iFlight Commando 8. The sticks are a little longer, so it feels a little awkward at the moment for me. I really don't mind the tiny gimbals of this thing though. The more I fly it, the more comfortable this boxy radio feels. I need to get new 18650 batteries for this thing though. They're real crap. And they'll probably die on me mid-flight at some point. So as for the size comparison to the Commando 8, I still think the Commando 8's a little bit smaller, more portable. And the fact that I'm pretty sure it has bigger batteries because it lasts forever. It's just, I feel like the gimbals are even worse than these tiny little guys. Within a couple days, my right gimbal was all sticky. I've just kind of flown and not cared. I had the Zorro before that. It's quite a bit bigger than both of these, especially with that stupid screen. I never really understood why they put such a big screen on a gamepad style radio. I guess that's why this thing exists now. Whoa. Never flown at this school before. The school I usually have been flying lately is under construction. Alright, I'm gonna bring her in. Well, let's just kind of look at the radio now. So should unplug that first.
Telemetry lost.
If you used a Radiomaster radio or HTX radio, you know how it works. Stick ends go in here. Stow away for easy storage. That's what I like about it. Just toss it in this little backpack, little side bag I got here. It's at least a great whoop controller. If you want to see the specs and stuff, there's lots of other videos for that. Yeah. That's it.